Looking for bakeware that lasts, cleans easily, and keeps your food safe? The Anchor Hocking 1.5-quart glass bakeware set delivers all that and more. This classic rectangular loaf dish is a staple for any kitchen, designed to handle everything from baking your favorite bread to reheating leftovers without a fuss. What sets this set apart is its durability and versatility. Made from tempered soda lime glass right here in the USA, these dishes stand up to microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer, and dishwasher use. No need to worry about warping, staining, or lingering odors. Plus, the BPA-free plastic lids keep your food fresh and are safe to clean on the top rack of your dishwasher. Whether you're baking a lasagna or storing a meal, these dishes handle it all with ease. Using glass bakeware like Anchor Hocking's is healthier compared to metal or plastic alternatives. It won't leach chemicals into your food or react with acidic ingredients. You can safely use these dishes in gas or electric ovens up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Just avoid sudden temperature changes to keep them in perfect condition. I've relied on Anchor Hocking glass bakeware for years and made the switch from steel pans because of their unbeatable durability and ease of cleaning. After baking dishes with stubborn crusts, a quick cycle in the dishwasher with regular detergent is all it takes to restore their shine. No rust, no stains, no hassle. The quality finish and construction make these dishes a smart investment for anyone serious about cooking. Backed by a limited 5-year warranty, this set promises to be a kitchen companion for years to come. The oversized 1.5-quart capacity is just right for many recipes, and having 2 identical dishes means you're ready to bake and store without missing a beat. If you want bakeware that's reliable, safe, and made in the USA, this set is worth a look. If that's you, someone who values quality and ease in the kitchen, try the Anchor Hocking 1.5-quart glass bakeware set when you're ready. It's a straightforward upgrade that makes cooking and cleanup simpler, healthier, and more enjoyable.